Welcome back, guys. New video, part 2 of the Hellcat rebuild. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, Demon 170, we're gonna go check it out at the local yard. Let's get going.
Good morning, boys.
Hey, brother, what do we have here?
Got a Demon 170. Holy. Doing at the Copart, brother.
All right, look at it,
Oh, it appears to be flooded. All right, guys, good morning. And right behind me, we're at the Copart, early morning. Just got a start to this day. And right behind me, we got a Demon 170. And you might ask yourself, what is it doing at this auction? This thing, it's flooded. And it's at the Copart right here locally in Spartanburg. So let's check it out.
Do a smell test real quick. Dude, what is that chunk?
Guys, that is not oil and that's not healthy. I'm gonna do one more dip, but it seems like there's nothing in this motor at all. Yeah, there's nothing. Wow, what in the world? Unless it got gunked up, but I wonder if water got sucked in, if this thing was running or not. But what I could say is this Demon 170 has seen better days. Onto the interior, I mean, as you can see, it's got the skinnies in the front, it's got the drag pack in the back. It seems like this car was brand new. Check it out, it's still got the dealer.
It's got the dealer sticker.
It stinks in here.
Oh my, dude, it reeks.
Oh man. Ooh, this thing has seen better days. Scrap Life Garage, if you're watching this one's for you, boys.
Damn, skinnies in the front, and then you got a wide body, big body wheel in the back. Icky T-boy.
This thing was completely submerged underwater. As you can see, headlights are still filled with water.
Oh, damn,
the intake hole probably had some water in it. I mean, dude, this thing was completely submerged. So let's move on into the interior real quick. It does appear that this thing was in a freshwater flood. And the leather, I think it's still savable. So if you really clean it out and detail it, this thing should be, you're gonna be able to save it. Pre-bid right now is $46,000. So I don't know if there's much.
Hey, what are we thinking about playing it to?
We're gonna play it to 60,000. But the thing is, we just checked the oil and there's literally no oil in there. All it is gunk. So I don't even know if we got a shot at this thing, because if the motor's shot, the car's shot, we're gonna have to redo everything, and I don't know if it's gonna be worth it at that point. But while we're looking at this Demon 170, we also just found on the watch list that's playing today 2025 Subaru BRZ with 5,000 miles on it. Damage is looking really good, and we're gonna probably end up bidding on it by now $6,400.
We were really hoping to get the Demon 170,
Man,
but
this is gonna be disappointing if we come back with a little 25 BRZ. There's a Hellcat right there. As this Mopar day at the yard, they just brought out a Hellcat. We didn't even see it, but it seems like it's got good damage.
really good damage.
Frame rail's pretty smart.
Yeah.
It's got already an intake on it. Low master.
Is it bad?
It's hit pretty good in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, frame rail buckled all the way over. But hey, it's got the nice wheels on it. It's a nice Hellcat. Black interior. It does not have the red key. It's only got the black key. 55,000.
I don't even want it no more.
Yep. We're gonna end up just rebuilding ours and putting a wide body kit on it. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. But right now, that's it for Copart. Let's get back to the shop and start grinding.
Let's go.
We got Donnie. Donnie's getting the SRT bag off, and then we got Olaf chilling.
Phillips said, Raymond. Hey, Ronnie, are there pliers in here?
Pliers? There ain't no pliers, Ron.
There we go. Yeah, boy.
Damn, look.
We got pink eye Donnie.
What is that?
I don't know.
Working man upside down.
Right.
We're opening up the Chop LLC.
That's right.
Right.
All right, yo. Enough with the rights and wrongs. Hell yeah.
Grab that piece.
Yo, button's connected. Button's connected. Oh, it's out.
Took y'all long enough. Gosh, dude.
We need some. Hey, yo, thumbnail.
The Dersh bird.
Make sure the Hellcat logo's in. I'm about to clap it a little. Where's your dad here?
Nah, he left.
Yeah.
What's up, dog? You doing all right?
Yeah.
All right, so Johnny's washing his M5. How you liking it, boy?
Loving it.
Yeah?
Loving it.
Let's get some B-roll. All right, Johnny, we're going to get the dashboard today in ATL, am I right, or what? You coming with us?
But before that, we're gonna go drifting.
Oh, you got the front mounts, you got the down pipes. Dang, man. We came here to the ATO to buy some Hellcat parts. He gonna start it up for us. On the apexes. Here's the dashboard of the Hellcat. We'll swap everything over. We'll show you off if we get more parts. He got it from Atlanta.
Special delivery coming today.
Damn, or moving them up like the Mexican.
Look like you after touching him.
Hey, bro, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
I appreciate it, JT.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Hey, thanks for the business, man. We just unboxed our Alibaba wide body kit for the Hellcat, and check it out. This Loki, super impressed with this quality. It came with everything that you needed. Flares are already on double-sided tape, which is really nice. Comes with the OEM style everything, all the little grills, all the components. What you think about the Alibaba kit?
I guess we'll see when it goes on the car.
But check it out, the quality of it is really good. Look at this. It's bulletproof straight, and it comes with all the hardware, clips, literally everything that you need. guys, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe down below and stay tuned for the next episode of the Hellcat rebuild. We got it on the frame machine and it's ready to go, so stay tuned. Next video, we already painted the wide body pieces and everything is gonna come together real smoothly, so stay tuned and subscribe.